All right, and we're back. Today's video is going to be a quick unboxing in my dungeon. It's currently 18 degrees out. So this is an item I ordered a week and a half ago. Found it on a deal on Dennis Kirk. So I wanted to pick it up while I could get the discount that they were offering. And as you can tell, it's Cobra. So it is a slip-on muffler, so I can finally remove that TAILGUNNER exhaust pipe. I have been wanting to get off basically since I bought it. It's definitely not my cup of tea. Do not prefer it. Sound is somewhat okay, but definitely not the best. So I figured while I'm at it, while I got a chance, let me go ahead and pick this up. Obviously, I can't do an install or anything. I'm not going to be able to with the weather currently the way it is. I just got to make sure this thing's not damaged because the box is pretty torn up here. So I figure, okay, let's get this out and let's get this thing inspected before we go further. You know, if I have to contact Dennis Kirk back. Because, you know, they don't make you sign for anything anymore. Everything is basically left at your front door to hit your doorbell, they take off. So, and that's what happened with this. So, you see it tore through the paper here. The box is mangled pretty good. So, I just want to make sure what we got here is not damaged at all. So, I'm going to assume this is the hardware. And let's cut this tape. At least they did masking tape on it. Easy enough to cut through without getting too far into it. Okay. I guess they got it, yeah, they got it folded over pretty good. Packing's good. Hopefully it's enough that, like I said, it didn't get any dings or anything. Let's see what we got here. That off, like so. And the plug is out of the pipe. This plug is supposed to be in the end here. We'll just shove that back in. Let's see what we got. All right, very good. So it is wrapped in bubble wrap. So far, so good. And we'll see what we got from here. Get it out of this bubble wrap. Try to do this carefully so I can just rewrap it because, again, I don't know when the weather's going to change enough for me to be able to install this damn thing. It's supposed to warm up next week. I guess what they consider a January thaw, I guess. So, but again, I don't trust any weatherman, weather woman, weather person, whatever you want to say. I'm not into how they can't predict the weather properly. All right, let's take that out all the way. This here. Yeah, I'll get the TAILGUNNER off, and if you're in the New Jersey area and you're interested in buying the TAILGUNNER, again, it's not my cup of tea, just shoot me a message. And maybe we can make a deal. I know they are super, super, super expensive pipes. There's no two ways about that. They do cost a lot of money because I was researching it before I actually bought the bike to see exactly what they had. And I do know, like I said, they are quite a bit. So, all right, very good. So, looks good. No damage. Everything looks good. Let's see. Check the tip. Tip looks good. Like I said, this plug was actually out of it. So everything's nice and round. Got a nice straight through. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. So I listened to these and I like the sound of it. Not abusively loud. Not too quiet. So I think it'll do the trick. What I'm thinking. So I'm gonna pack this back up. Get this wound up here. Get it back in the bag, throw it back in the box, and then keep an eye on the weather. If we get a 60-degree day, I can go ahead and install the thing. Obviously, you know, I'll do a full install video for it. I'll check the hardware. You guys don't need to see that. So, again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Hopefully the next video you'll see will be either installing this or maybe finally getting the backrest pad on the trunk that I have to. Try to get that squared away. Again, I can do that right here in my dungeon. Call it my dungeon because my house is 100 years old and it looks like a dungeon down here. So, but again, with that said, also, if you're interested in that TAILGUNNER exhaust and you're in the central New Jersey area, feel free to reach out. Maybe we can come to an agreement on price. All right, thanks for watching.